They even had their own collab with Nike SB, and then 3 for $100. That includes everything on the left right here. They're 25% off everything on this wall. I was about to walk out and look at all the dunks they have. This is the newest release right here. $225? They asking for $225 for Jordan 1 lows? Starting in Covina today, Pawnshop Skate Company. Let's go. And they get everything. They even had their own collab with Nike SB. They got their shoes in the back right here. Still got these SBs. I don't think my kid will like this color, unfortunately. Let me check. I was talking to someone about these today. The Force 58s, and these don't look bad. These don't look bad. We were talking about how comfortable they are. Or my boy was talking to me about how comfortable they are. But yeah, they're like $100 or so. Got the iShot 2s right here. I'm in multiple colorways. Got the Air Max unit in the back. I don't know what this is right here. I don't know this one. Oh snap. Oh snap. That's not bad. I've been liking these 480s. Sent this picture to my kiddo, see if he wants one of these. These are nice, dude. I like these. I like these. And 10s, these are fire as hell too. Ooh, I'll send him these, see if he likes these too. He really likes the dunks, so I'm sending him stuff similar to the dunks. Okay, I don't know what these are. Natas? The Natas? Got all kinds of flavor on those. Look at that right there. Holy cow. I'm pretty sure they're referring to all the shoes right here on sale. Chuck 70s in the mix right here. These are 9.5. Those look nice. PRSBs. Blazers right here. Janowskis also in the mix. These are even a quick strike. Oh, got these on sale already. Holy cow. That's a size 8. Oh, and they got more of those. These are 3 for $100. Are you serious? You serious? Got Vans right here. Damn, these sales are kind of ridiculous. Kind of ridiculous. All kinds of Chuck 70s right here. Bunch of different colorways. Yeah. I think that's the same one as that last one. So it looks like 2 different colorways on sale. These suede bad boys as well. Alright, so my kiddo does like these. The sizing on these are really weird. These are 9.5, and I just tried it on. I think they fit almost perfectly. Maybe I should get a 10. I don't know. So I might get a size 9 because I don't really want to drive all the way back here if I need to do a size exchange. Definitely worth stopping by. 25 off of those bad boys right there. 25% off everything on this wall. And then 3 for $100. That includes everything on the left right here. And that includes these. These haven't even been out that long. That's crazy. That's crazy. It includes the SB Reacts right there. That includes these Blazers. 417s right here. These ain't bad. These are size 12 though. I think a lot of the good sizes might be gone. The 440s, which one is these? Yeah, see, these ain't bad, dude. 3 for $100. And even some of these Asics right here. What are these? Okay. Dang it, they only have an 8.5 and a size 9.5 left. I think the 9.5 is going to be too big for him. Yeah, I tried that on. I don't think that's going to work. Dang it. Dang it. Good selection here, though. Yeah. I was about to walk out and look at all the dunks they have. They got these right here. I've seen these a few times. But they got the new release. This is the newest release right here. And I'm seeing if they got one for my kiddo. These are dope, dude. Kind of gives me a safari vibe. But yeah, these are dope. These are dope. I think they're $125 or something. I don't know what SB dunks are going for. But yeah, they got these as well. But my kid already has those. So yeah, I'm thinking about these, man. Thinking about these. And then this, yeah, if the color was just a little better. I really like the material. So $125 plus tax. Man, I think a size 9 is going to fit my kiddo. They only had up to size 9. So yeah, that better fit him. All his other SB Dunks are size 9.5, but I think they're a little big. So I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. Hopefully. I forgot to check to see if these come with black laces. My kid's like, I don't like those blue. But I was like, I can get you black laces. But I forgot to check to see if they come. Nah, they don't come with black laces. That's surprising. Usually they give us multiple laces with the SB Dunks, no? I'm trying to remember. But whatever. I'm sure I got black laces with something at home. Next spot we visited, Porto's Bakery and Cafe. Well, the mall right next to the Porto's is this Plaza West Covina. I think they got a lot of sneaker shops, right? One of the last finish lines in SoCal, I feel like. And all kinds of Dunks, all kinds of Forces. Not really seen any on sale other than the Panda Mids. Did not hit up any malls this past weekend because I was out in San Diego this past weekend. But yeah, do got these bad boys right here. Past weekend for me, I guess 2 weekends away for you guys. But yeah, Olympic 6s right here. Man, these are dope. I just love all the Olympic stuff. Man, what these going for? $2 for these bad boys right here. Did all the smaller sizes sell out? Is this a bigger size? This size? Oh, 8.5. They look freaking huge. Why do these look so huge? And of course, still got the Oreo 6s right here. Then Jordan 1 highs. We've been seeing these at the outlets as well as these. And then got mids and mids right here. Okay, okay. I guess got these as well. 25 off. Coming out with more and more of these waffle flavors, I guess. All right, these are going for what, $125. And I feel like we've been seeing Air Max 1s on sale everywhere, as well as these Vomeros. They came out with so many colorways and a little bit too much, I guess. The age midsole on these bad boys, or the sale midsole, like that's like even more yellow than sale. And 574s, Benzene 574s on sale. Good sign, definitely a good sign. Club C vintage right here. I feel like I haven't seen these in forever. Are these some Club C's as well? Damn, $35. That's a solid price. Man, all black, matched with anything. And it's tough seeing those because I think I saw those at the Foot Locker outlet for hella cheap, like 50% off of that. And do got the Barclays right here. Still got this colorway that I don't think not too many people needed, but yeah, small sale. All right, do got a Borders. And they still got these here, but this is a size 10 though. So well, maybe they won't have the size I need. God dang it. My kiddo did like the 480s. Seeing if there's any other colorways of the 480s he might like. I do like that black one. This one's not bad right here. But yeah, these are going for what, $100? $100. I like this one right here. I don't think he's gonna like this one, but yeah, this one's nice. Does have some nice material in it. Oh, this one's a 130. This one's 130. And this is a Jeremy Fish collab. That's why it is a collab. Okay. They got some SB Blazers right here. These are a quick strike. Now these are 110 for those. Got plethora of Blazers. Got a few on sale too. 20% off that one, 20% off that one as well. Got a couple more going for 20% off, but looks like a lot of Nikes already 20% off other than the iShods. So it looks like all these are 20% off as well right now. Do got a few SB Dunks. This one only up to size 9. Got these. Still got sizes for these, as well as these that we just saw at Pawnshop. All kinds of Vans on sale right here, 50% off. These SpongeBob. This right here shows what sizes they have left. One with the emojis going for 50 off. Got comics on this one, 50 off of those. Some skate highs, last size right here, 50% off. Got some skate lows, 50 off of these. These are clean, dude. Vans, all kinds of stuff going for 50% off. Some old schools right here. They use Such great material on the old schools right there. I think we got a Foot Locker and a Shoe Palace left. That's it? Damn. It's like crazy seeing this for retail at quite a few places. Infrared whites, 7s. That's crazy. Does that mean people are paying for them? Really? Jordan 11 low IEs as well as these AJKOs. Like we've seen all of these on sale like crazy. Even these, if you have a chic around you, we see them for $150, and then they had that 20% off sale for a while. So fools are picking this up for $120 and people are paying 2 bills for them now. GT cut 2s right here, $120 for these bad boys. You got these right here, the Air Max 1s. It's just interesting coming here after going to the outlets a ton. Like I bought several of these for like crazy cheap. I guess most people haven't found refurbs and stuff like that of these, because yeah, those have been so cheap. Deals at this Foot Locker are so mediocre. Mall's packed though. Mall is packed. Like $30 for these Adelaide slides right here. These are normally $60. So slide sale on these. 2002 Rs. We've been seeing more and more of these on sale. And $100. I guess that's better than the 140 MSRP. If you guys have a chance to hit up the New Balance outlet, we've even seen 990s on sale, 996s. We've seen all kinds of stuff like that on sale. This is a women's release right here. This is definitely interesting. You got that worn out look, like you took the top portion of this off or something. $225? They asking for $225 for Jordan 1 lows? What the F? $225? Yo, really? Really? That's like offensive. Who's paying $225 for these? That's crazy. That's crazy. But they got these over here, Air Max 90s. That's not too bad. All the Air Max 1s have been on sale. Got some Dunk low twists. We've been seeing the twist on sale pretty much everywhere now. Got some interesting forums with tons of flavor. Cheaper than some of the outlets. And then NMD's Foot Locker outlet had these for $60, and then you got 50% off on top of that. That was crazy. But yeah, the outlets, some of the outlets had these for regular price, which is kind of crazy. Cortez is right here in the women's section. Steal for these, man. 90 down to $60. Superstars. I was like, these look like a men's. What the hell? I guess it's a platform. And then Chicago 1s right here. Kind of, sort of, like black toes. I don't know. But no laces on those bad boys. I don't know why I thought there were way more sneaker shops here. Do got a Shoe Palace. Definitely glad I did stop by here because they still got the KD4 Weatherman. I remember how tough these were to get way back when. And the same thing could be said about these Nerf right here. KD4 Nerf. Yeah, man, these were hard as hell to get now. Nice general release for everybody, so everybody can get their hands on these. But yeah, dude got the Nerf. Man, this comes with the cool box, everything. It doesn't come with, I think the original one used to come with like the hoop and that little mini basketball stuff. I don't think it comes with all that, but man, to be able to get them $150 for these. Starting to see the Jaws on sale, but the new one should be coming out soon. Is he gonna have a new one? I don't know. I haven't heard too much about him. We got the Olympics right here. I'm gonna try to find mine at the outlets. Cause yeah, I have the 2020 pair. Was it the 2020 pair? I have the 2020 pair. I need to check to see if they look the exact same. I don't know. I keep forgetting to do that. Been out of town like crazy and been busy as hell with work and stuff, so haven't been able to check. Got plenty of Vomeros on sale. Yeah, $100, not bad. Not bad for these. And got quite a few Air Forces on sale. These are normally, I don't know how much the Air Forces go for now. 125 or something. 115 for these right here. Got these nylon thingies right here, go for 80. 90 for these bad boys right here. And then did we see those on sale earlier? 80 for these. And then what, $10 off for these bad boys right here. And then do got backpacks. Got the taxis right here. Taxi 12 backpacks, playoff 12s. The flu game 12s, or the food poisoning game 12s, right? And then I've never seen these hats before. Kind of crazy. The Shotani hats, I have no clue what that says. Of course, I do have Google Lens, so yeah, I did translate that. It just says Shotani on it. I thought it said something dope, but yeah. Well, that's a pretty cool series of hats, I'm not gonna lie. That's pretty dope. Still got suedes on sale right here, $40 for these bad boys. It's a grade school section, but that's definitely the cheapest we've seen those. And these, yeah, these are gonna be on sale everywhere. Yeah, I'm not going too deep because, man, it's crowded. Holy cow. Holy cow, everybody doing their back to school shopping. I'm so sad for some of the kids here. They're just getting the regular boring dunks that are gonna get jacked up in like 10 minutes. And go to Pawnshop Skate Company, they got SB dunks like right there. All right, these are on sale for the men's as well now, as they should. Yeah, they're going for $150. The mid SE pack, both of these on sale, $70 and $80 for these. Got comforts. I got plenty of people talking about comforts, how comfortable they are and stuff. And yeah, they are on sale, going for $90. And ones. We've been seeing all these ones on sale, $130. Oh my God, that material, so nice compared to the mids. Holy cow, holy cow. And by mids, this is what I'm talking about, just extra plasticky and man. But they got the Olympics right here as well. And these mids right here, these are highs? When did these come out? Dang, when the hell did these come out? I am tripping because I have not been paying attention to releases at all. But yeah, I do got Jordan 1 High OGs right here. Gold and black OG color blocking. And do got the bread toes, as well as the shadow lows right here, and then the Baron lows right here. And then got a couple new colorways. Got these bad boys right here, I guess. They came out with the mids as well as the lows. These are going for $125 now. And got these white, black, and gold lows right here, $115 for these. School is about to start, so I have to get my kid an Apple computer. Apparently that's what they require. And look at this. Look at this. There's no info on it. Just a serial number right here, and that's it. What the hell? This is how Costco sells things? What the hell? Can I see the specs? Like, the specs were over there, but it's crazy.